Hello everyone, this is Anne. Welcome to our Yongga Company Arab Group live stream room. I will introduce PVC Pressure series today. Before that, I will give a brief introduction about our company. Here is a video for you. We have reached a sales turnover of $0.9 billion, including export sales covering 146 countries all over the world. Next, I will give a brief introduction of our PVC pressure pipe and fittings. As you know, PVC is a very popular synthetic metal. It is widely used in many areas because it has so many advantages like the corrosion resistance, convenience in connection, high stiffness, and so on. The sales of our major pressure series has continued and steady growth in many markets, including the sales of Australian Standard 1477 in Oceania market, thin standard products in Europe and other markets, ASTM standard products in American market. Please watch our products video. On the test, and we also have the automatic packaging line. Now you should be more curious about us, then let Era amaze you guys next. Please look at this point. All these are our advantages, and all these could be the reasons why you choose us. I will introduce you one by one. First is our production skills, two parts, pipe production and fittings production. For our PVC pipe production, we totally have 20 extrusion lines, 2 automatic bag packing machines, 4 pipe expanding machines, and our annual capacity is about 20,000 tons, covering 300 different sizes and categories. For PVC fittings production, we have 325 injection machines, and the annual capacity is more than 22,000 tons. With the help of our automatic equipment like the robots, we have sufficient capacity to complete large orders from domestic and foreign markets. As you know, raw material is really important for our quality control. So I think you will have the question how we choose our reliable and stable raw material. Before selecting our fixed supplier, we have evaluated all the raw material performance from different suppliers. Every batch of the raw material we accept should be inspected. Unqualified one will be rejected back. And all the raw materials should be assessed the long-term safety. so as to ensure environmental protection, safety, and reliability of our products. Also, our own PVC formula has obtained an SF certificate. Except for the PVC part, the quality control of copper parts is also very important. How do we control it? Let's move on. First, ERA has its own copper factory and specially supplied to ERA fittings. Second, we could supply European standard copper parts. It shows our abilities. And the production equipment of copper parts is in the leading position in this industry. It makes quality of copper parts more stable. And of course, the quality control of copper products will also strictly follow the inspection process. Next, I will introduce you the technology advantages. After many years accumulation of production, research, and development experience, Yonggao has achieved the best production process standard. First of all, we will have a trial production that requires technicians to set up the process. After the trial production samples pass the inspection, the workshop process settings will be locked. This can ensure the stability of our production. Quality control has always been our top priority. So what is our quality control process? Please look at our QC SOP. You can clearly see that we start with raw materials for quality control. Every batch of raw materials, we will do the incoming quality controls, and then we will start the production. In our trial production, we still have first piece inspection. All the samples will be inspected by the producer, mechanic, QC specialist. If qualified, then we start the mass production. In our mass production, we also have different inspections such as the production process inspection. All the samples will be randomly conducted by the process inspector every 4 hours. And next, we will have the finished product inspection, 2 parts: product performance inspection, product packaging inspection. Product performance inspection including appearance, dimension, and hydrostatic, and so on. Product packaging inspection including the packaging quality, label content, carton content, packaging materials quality, and so on. Before cargo leaving our factory, we also have outgoing quality control. All the products need to be inspected to be qualified, and then it will be approval for delivery. When I introduce our advantages, I will definitely mention our R&D center. In order to let everyone to know more about this institute, here is a video for you. Our research institute is CNIS accredited and IMO accredited lab. It means we could issue ISO standard and ASTM standard test report, and totally it covers over 6,000 square meters. And it is equipped with over 300 sets of test equipment and over 250 researchers. It is hard to imagine that the total investment is about $20 million. With the help of our R&D center, we have got different certificates for different markets. Please look at this chart. ERA has invested $1.5 million to get 13 international certificates. As you can see, we have NSF and UPC for American market, DVGW for American and the European market. Also, we have the ROS, the kite mark for our Europe and the Middle East market. For the Oceania market, we have the watermark BEP standard mark. Also in France, we have ACS. For the Russian market, we have the Ghost SRCU EAC certificates. From all the certificates, I selected a few to show you the comparison of different test requirements. The first table is the test requirements for the pipe. I mainly compare different certificates for 3 different markets. Please look at this chart. I choose DVGW kite mark and watermark. First, please look at the appearance. As you can see, the requirements for the appearance is almost the same. It requires the internal and the external surface of pipe should be smooth, clean, and free from scoring, cavities, and other surface defects. And the next one is impact strength. All the result requirements is the same. TIR needs to less than 10%. Longitudinal reversion, as you can see, DVGW and watermark requires the same temperature at 150, and the result needs to be less than 5%. But kite mark is a little different because it requires the test temperature about 100 degrees, and the time needs to be around 30 minutes. The result needs to less than 3%. Only DVGW requires the VCAD. The temperature needs to higher than 80 degrees. The last one is effect of heating. DVGW and watermark requires it, and the result needs to be the same, no surface damage. Okay, next chart is the test requirements for our fittings. Also, these 3 certificates, and appearance is the first one, and the requirements is almost the same. But most important is 1 hour internal pressure resistant test and 1,000 hour test. As you can see, DVGW and kite mark requires the same temperature, same pressure, and same result. No leakage, no breakage, no burst. But watermark is a little different because it's a 1 hour test. So it requires the temperature at the pressure at 3.6 times the rate working pressure, and the 1,000 hour test, it requires to sustain a hoop stress of 23.6 MPa. And DVGW and kite mark requires the VCAD. The temperature needs to be higher than 74 degrees. And the last one is the effect of heating. Also, we could call it oven test. All these 3 certificates require the same temperature, same result. The important link after the end of production is packaging. How to carry out our reasonable packaging is also an important issue for us. First, we always use the reasonable and careful packaging, and it will be effectively protect our products. And we could also package according to customers' requirements. And we are equipped with effective automatic packaging machine to deal with bulk orders. And our pipeline operation makes us more efficient, so we are ready for big orders. In addition, we also have our own unique service advantages. Please look at this service point. I believe our service advantages can give you confidence to expand your business together with us. We have different professional people to provide you with VIP service. First is our customer manager, who will do the one-to-one consideration and timely service, and our regional manager, who will in charge of whole process guidance and overall control. And our sales director, who will do the all-round communication and sharing the sales and market planning. Also, our technical and production team will give you the full support. Also, I will provide a 50-year warranty for all the products. Then you should be wondering why we can be so confident. In order to realize this commitment, we implement it from 2 aspects. Please check this chart. As you can see, first point is our self-monitoring. As I told you before, we start our strictly QC from very beginning, such as the raw material control and stand mold development. Also, in our mass production, we have the production process inspection, finished product inspection, and also we have certifications and annual tests. Also, we have third-party guarantee from PICC. They provide us 50 years quality insurance, and they will settle claims caused by the quality problem. These 2 points together will increase our customers' confidence and our end users' stickiness. Also, we could offer our customers credit sale support to aspiring customer with capital needs. It will help our customer to expand their business, and also ERA annually invest $1.5 billion to develop new products to follow the new trend of the market, and it will help our customer expand products line and seize market opportunities. The last support is our advertising support. First, we offer customized advertising program according to local situation, and also we will provide advertising materials, just like the lintel, trunk advertisement, clown poster, display boards, and so on. The above is all my introduction. I believe you have learned a lot about us. If you are interested in our products, please leave your contact information or contact us immediately. Thank you for your listening.